Welcome back to Riders King. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the highly anticipated 2025 Yamaha Tenere 700, a bike that has been making waves in the adventure motorcycle community. Yamaha has built a strong reputation with the Tenere series, and the latest model takes things to an entirely new level. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or a long-distance touring rider, this bike promises to be a game changer. The 2025 Tenere 700 retains the same 689cc parallel twin CP2 engine, which is known for its reliability, smooth power delivery, and impressive torque. This engine has been a favorite among adventure riders due to its balance between power and efficiency, making it ideal for both highway cruising and off-road exploration. Yamaha has fine-tuned the fuel injection system, offering improved throttle response and fuel economy, making long rides even more enjoyable. One of the biggest highlights of the new model is its suspension and chassis updates. Yamaha has enhanced the front and rear suspension to provide better comfort and handling, whether you're tackling rough trails or city streets. The fully adjustable KYB front forks offer improved damping performance, while the rear shock absorber has been refined for better stability. The lightweight steel frame remains strong and durable, ensuring the bike can handle tough terrain without compromising agility. In terms of design and ergonomics, Yamaha has made subtle yet effective changes. The 2025 Tenere 700 features a redesigned seat that provides more comfort for long rides. The fuel tank remains at 16 liters, offering a great balance between range and weight. The new LED lighting system improves visibility in all conditions, making night rides safer. Yamaha has also updated the windscreen and fairing to provide better wind protection, reducing rider fatigue on long journeys. Another exciting upgrade is the electronics package. While the Tenere 700 has always been known for its simplicity, the 2025 model includes a new TFT display with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing riders to connect their smartphones for navigation, notifications, and ride data tracking. Yamaha has also introduced multiple riding modes, giving riders more control over power delivery and traction, making it even more versatile on different terrains. For off-road enthusiasts, the 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels, along with Pirelli Scorpion Rally STR tires, provide excellent grip and durability. The ground clearance remains impressive, ensuring the bike can handle deep ruts, rocky paths, and river crossings with ease. The switchable ABS system allows riders to turn off the rear ABS for better control on off-road trails. Yamaha has also focused on making the bike more adventure-ready out of the box. The subframe is now reinforced to support heavier loads, making it easier to mount luggage for long trips. The bike is also pre-wired for additional accessories like heated grips, auxiliary lights, and GPS systems, allowing riders to customize their setup without complicated modifications. Overall, the 2025 Yamaha Tenere 700 continues to build on the legacy of its predecessors, offering a perfect balance between performance, durability, and modern technology. Whether you're heading off the beaten path or taking on long highway rides, this bike is ready for any adventure. Let me know in the comments what you think about the new Tenere 700. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Riders King for more motorcycle reviews and adventure content. See you in the next video.